I have a super easy recipe for you today for a blueberry smoothie. It's actually going up on the blog so you can get the exact details, but usually with smoothies, I still kind of wing it. So toss in what you have. This particular recipe is super simple. You can throw it together pretty quickly and you probably have the stuff on hand. So it's bananas. I go with one banana per person. So I just actually made a smoothie for my husband and I. So 2 smoothies, 2 bananas. We did about a cup and a half or so of blueberries. So just toss. I like frozen blueberries because then it makes the smoothie a little bit creamy. Plus I always have frozen fruit in the freezer so that smoothies are really handy. Sometimes berries, you don't always use them up that are in the fridge, but if you have them frozen in the freezer, you can always whip up a fresh smoothie. I actually keep bananas in the freezer as well. So for today's smoothie that I just made, I actually used 1 frozen and 1 fresh banana. Then I put in some spinach. So I always like to put in greens in my smoothies. It's a really easy way to get more greens. And tossing a couple handfuls of spinach is super easy. So I usually like to grow my own spinach in the summer, in the spring, and the fall. But right now I just had a pack of organic spinach. You can also buy frozen spinach if you want to keep something like that on hand for smoothies and so forth. I actually have one of these really handy Ninja blenders. So these ones are just where you pop it on the top and go ahead and blend it up. I did it already before the video, so I didn't make too much noise. And then a dash of cinnamon. So cinnamon is good for all kinds of things, from balancing blood sugar, just adding a little bit more flavor, and it's ready to go. So I whipped up 2 smoothies. My husband just texted he's going to be home from work soon. So that is our afternoon snack, and it is delicious. So that is my smoothie recipe. You can throw it together really quickly. Blueberries are full of antioxidants, and having the greens, having the cinnamon, having the bananas, you're getting all kinds of goodness in this smoothie. Now, if you want to take it to the next level, you could add hemp seeds, you could add chia seeds, you could add some other green powder if you like. There's all kinds of things you could add to it. But as a base of a smoothie, this is a really good starter, and then just add more nutrients and nutritious stuff to it and tweak the flavor as you need. So that's my starter smoothie. You can fill it with, for liquid, you can either use like an unsweetened almond milk. That's actually what I used today, or you can just do water. You could do coconut milk, whatever you like in there. I did almond milk for this smoothie, but use what you like and let me know how it goes.